Hey, well, today we are talking about the Kizer Sway bag. This little knife has got, if I can focus, N690 steel. It's got a beautiful, what do you call that, Wharncliffe style blade. Sway bag. Now if you look at the design on this thing, it looks like an olden day slip joint, like a sway bag. And this was designed by, if we can see there, swags, and we see the little heart and whatever. So sharp and pointy swags from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, if I can remember correctly. Now she's got her own channel and doing her own thing. She designed this knife. Wonderful little knife, and it's a button lock.